Dear students, welcome to the Teachers Knowledge YouTube channel. In previous lectures, we will discuss about the concept of the global warming mechanism and its impact on the environment and human beings. Today, we will discuss about the government schemes to tackle the global warming and recent data of global warming and its analysis. Let's proceed further. Global initiatives regarding to the global warming Paris Agreement 2015. It is a legally binding international treaty adopted in 2015 with a goal of limiting the global warming to well below 2 degrees centigrade and pursuing the efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees centigrade above the pre-industrial levels. Very important Paris Agreement 2015. Second one is the Green Climate Fund. It provides the financial resources to developing nations for the climate resilient projects. Third one, UNFCCC and Kyoto Protocol. It is the frameworks for the global cooperation in the emissions reduction. Kyoto Protocol we will discuss in detail in separate lecture. UNFCCC and Kyoto Protocol and Paris Agreement. So here a slide notes wise you can understand. It is the framework for the global cooperation in the emissions reduction. This is the global initiatives, Paris Agreement, Green Climate Fund, and UNFCCC and Kyoto Protocol. Right. Let's proceed to the Indian schemes. National Action Plan on the Climate Change, NAPCC. It includes the mission on renewable energy, water conservation, and energy efficiency to overcome the global warming hazards. Second one is the faster adoption and manufacturing of electrical vehicles. It promotes the e-mobility to reduce the fossil fuel dependency. Okay. Next one is the National Green Hydrogen Mission. It aims to develop clean energy solutions. And next one is State Action Plans on the Climate Change, SAPCC. It told the state level initiatives under the NAPCC. What is NAPCC? National Action Plan on the Climate Change. Next one is the Perform, Achieve, and Trade Scheme. It enhances the energy efficiency in the industries and power plants. So this is the Indian initiatives, Indian schemes to reduce the global warming or control the global warming. First one, National Action Plan on the Climate Change. Second one, faster adoption and manufacturing of the electrical vehicles. Next one is the National Green Hydrogen Mission and state action plans on the climate change and Perform, Achieve, and Trade Scheme. These are the 5 schemes of India. Let's discuss about the recent 2024 data of the global warming. Average global temperature 1.55 degrees centigrade above pre-industrial levels, the warmest year on the record. It is the 2024 year is the warmest year concerning the global warming on the record. 1.55 degrees centigrade above the pre-industrial levels. It is a serious concern. Second one is the days breaching 1.5 degree centigrade. 170 days in 2023 projections for the 2024 indicate over 200 days exceeding the threshold value. As we seen in the previous lecture in the graph, 170 days in 2023, exceeding the 1.5 degree centigrade threshold limit, and projections for 2024 indicates over 200 days, which is also a very serious concern. Next one is the sea level rise. Accelerated the melting of the polar ice caps and glaciers, contributing to the higher sea levels. As soon as the temperature increases, global warming, due to the global warming, this accelerates the melting of the polar ice caps and glaciers, thus increasing the sea levels. This is also disastrous. Next one is the emissions gap. IPCC data shows only a 2% reduction in global emission by 2024. IPCC data shows a 2% reduction in global emissions by 2024, far below the required 43% cut by 2020. So this is the graph. We can understand the graph. This is the year-on-year increase in temperature from pre-industrial average in degree centigrade. In 1970, it is the 0.28. There is a zigzag in 0.59 in 1982, and this is the 1998. This is the 0.91 increase, and in 2010 it is 0.79. But this is the serious concern. In 2018, 1.28 degrees centigrade increase, and in 2023, very serious concern, it is 1.45 degrees centigrade increase in temperature from the pre-industrial levels. This one is the global greenhouse gases emissions year on year in million tons of the CO2 equivalent. In 1970, it is 24,003. In 1981, it is 29,385. 1990, 32,726, and then there is a 35,000, 42,000, 48,000, 49,000, and 52,000. In 2023, it is 52,000. There is an increase, which is very serious concern. So this is all about the government schemes internationally, globally, and schemes by the Indian government to control the global warming, and recent data analysis, so you can easily understand the hazard impacts and serious concern of the atmosphere due to the global warming. So please like this video and share to your friends, and subscribe the Teachers Knowledge channel. We will meet you soon in next video. Thank you very much. If any queries, please comment to us.